A rainbow appears as a stunning arc of colors created when sunlight interacts with falling raindrops. When sunlight enters a raindrop, it slows down and bends because water is denser than the surrounding air. This bending, called refraction, separates the light into different colors since each wavelength bends at a unique angle. After bending, the light reflects off the inner surface of the raindrop before refracting again as it exits. These two refractions and one reflection spread the colors into a spectrum that forms the rainbow we see. Red bends the least, while violet bends the most, which is why the colors always appear in the same order. For a rainbow to appear, the sun must be behind you and rain falling ahead at the correct angle. Millions of tiny raindrops act like miniature prisms, working together to create the full arc of vibrant colors. Sometimes a second, fainter rainbow appears outside the first because light reflects twice inside the raindrops. This secondary rainbow looks dimmer and has reversed colors since more light is lost during the extra reflection. A rainbow is not a physical object, but an optical phenomenon that depends entirely on your viewing position. Move a few steps, and the rainbow shifts because the angle between sunlight and raindrops changes instantly. This fleeting display reminds us how light and water combine to create one of nature's most mesmerizing illusions. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.